Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Threads account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, in order to create a Threads account, you'll need to have an Instagram account. Go to the Threads app and you can see that my Instagram username is automatically pulled in here. Then click on Login with Instagram. Alright, so here I have my name and I can also add a bio and a link. I'm just gonna skip the profile and then you can select if you want to keep your profile public or private. I'll keep mine public for now. This page shows if you want to follow people, but I'm just gonna tap on next here and click on join threads. So going through this process is super simple, and that's how you can easily create Instagram Threads account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.